Hello, welcome once again to this virtual learning. In today's lesson, I'll be talking to you about averages and range from raw data. One may know, why do I need to know averages? You need to know averages because averages use value and values to describe an entire distribution. And they also help to compare and contrast two or more sets of data. They will also offer foundation for further statistical analysis because you can use some of the averages to calculate variance and standard deviation, which you might find useful when you are doing your A-levels or statistics in particular. There are three main types of averages. First one is the average or the mean. Second, median, and the third one is mode. And you need to note that range is not an average. Range only measures the spread of the data. So only three types of averages: mean, median, and mode. And range is only used to measure the spread of the data. Now let's look at them one by one. We're going to look at first median and mode. Let's look at the definition. Median is simply the middle number of an ascending or descending set of data. So the key word is the data must be in order, either ascending or descending, and we are looking for the middle data or number. And median is more useful than mean when there are extreme values in data set. So when you have a set of data and you have extreme values, the best average to use for comparison is the median. We will look at an example soon. And mode is the value that appears most frequently in a set of data, or the most frequent number. And mode is also useful when most common feature value is needed. For example, the type of shoe size you want to order when doing inventory of sales. So if you sell shoes and you want to replenish your stock, you look at which size shoes that is being demanded most before you order. So mode will be useful in that particular instance. Now let's look at the mean and range. Mean and range. Definition of mean. Mean or average is calculated by adding all the numbers in the data set and then divided by the number of values in the data. Mean is very useful in predicting future results, especially when there are no extreme values or outliers in the data set. Range is the difference between the largest and the lowest values in the set. It measures how spread the data set is. And range helps to determine the reliability of mean. The bigger the range, the less reliable the mean is, and vice versa. So that's why range is not an average, but it helps to determine the credibility or the reliability of the median, of the mean.